Hello dear engineers, we are here to solve one of the questions from the Tehran March 402 exam. In the problem it says the project assumes a power consumption of 600 kilowatts. The reactive power is delivered by the power distribution network 160 kilowatts, which means the distribution network itself provides us with 160 kilowatts for reactive power supply. And the capacitor bank also has a capacity of 240 kilowatts. What is the apparent power of this project? The first concept we derive from the question here is that there is no capacitor in the circuit. So what is the initial cosine phi? To find the initial cosine phi, we have a formula that it is equal to P is Abdul tangent Tafid, and if you want the tangent of the angle, the reactive power Q is understood from the sum of these two that it is 400 efficient. So instead of Q, we use the number 400 and the power is also 600. If this calculate the answer with the number 660. Here we need to find the angle for finding the angle. With the arctangent, it becomes 33 and 16 degrees. Well, the angle became 33 and 16. The same cosine 33 and 16, the same with half of the machine, and if we calculate it, it becomes 82 and 300, so option 2 is determined. In the second year chart, it says how much under the power studied is in this project. Meaning if we take that 160 kilobar from the network, how much is it then? Again, we use the same formula above for tangent, which means we can work on the shutter. Tangent phi equals Q over P, and here our Q is 160. Here 160 divided by 600 becomes, if you calculate this with a straight edge, we reach the number 266 thousandths. Arctangent phi 266 thousandths is 14 and 9/10 degrees. Here cosine 14.9. It equals 966 thousandths, which is approximately 97 hundredths. So in question 23, option 1 is correct. Coincidentally, this issue is a good one that we can also discuss in the context of power triangles. If this is the vector Q, this is vector P or tau1 as it is. This is vector S or tau1 as it appears. When we have that 400 clover cosine, vector S comes in this direction. When we put the 160 network, it almost never reaches 0, but it comes close to 0. This is the concept of triangular power after setting capacitors. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.